Calvin Tuttle.
Hey,
How are you?
doing pretty
Nice
well.
to see you, my friend.
Yeah,
Good
to see
trade
you.
show, as always. I love
As
doing
always.
these trade show videos. ONYX Align. The more I talk to people, I have a close friend of mine that has it.
Oh, great.
Uses it. He's down here in Orlando. Hopefully he'll come by. He loves it. He really does. I mean, he's finally getting things done with his estimating software and with his pricing and everything that he hasn't been able to do before. I mean, the guy was using Post-it notes stuck all over the place, right?
Yeah.
Does that sound familiar to anybody? It should. That's you. Tell me about ONYX Align and what it does.
Yeah. So ONYX Align is ONYX's order management system, and it is designed specifically for large format shops that are kind of in that stage where they've picked up momentum. They're bringing in lots of orders, but they're still using, like you put it, the Post-it note system.
There's some kind of improvised order and estimating structure.
Email, Google Calendar, spreadsheets, dry erase boards, vanilla folders. There's a lot of shops that are kind of stuck in that rhythm of operating, and they don't realize that. Well, all of them do realize it. It's holding them back in a lot of ways. So ONYX Align is meant to be the solution to get them to, a digital solution.
Sure.
To help them to be able to estimate quicker, job quicker, and get things to the finish line in a much better way.
So it does complete estimation.
Yep.
Based upon what? Here's a scenario I want to ask you about. I have a lot of centers that honestly, they can't take everything at once. Because they're actually really busy. They're doing a lot of work. They're not sure what their prices are, and they're not sure what their profit margin really is based upon their pricing. But they're busy and they don't have a lot of time. So they have to integrate it slowly.
Yes.
Can you integrate ONYX Align over pieces so that you get one part in and then another part and add another part, and then over time you have all the pieces working in harmony?
Definitely, 100%. And we have a lot of our customers that are kind of in that process. And it's what we recommend is if you try and integrate and set up everything all at once and have it be perfect before you start using it, you're not gonna be using it for a while, right? So piece by piece. And what I always tell people is start with your big three. What are your top three most common products, most common jobs? Let's start there, and then you just iterate it, When a new order comes in that's a brand new product you're just offering, or one of the obtuse ones, then that's your chance to get it in the system.
Okay, I'm assuming the first thing you kind of have to do is build your individual items, like roll vinyl of some kind, and then you enter it in, you enter in the price, you determine, do you have recommendations for how it gets marked up or how you want to price it?
So what's really cool is ONYX Align has a pricing strategy, which is cost plus, which is Align will estimate the cost of production for you. Oh, you're using this much vinyl, you're using this much labor, this much installation time. We estimate that this job is going to cost you $100. So let's go ahead and just price it so that you're making a 60% profit margin. That's cost plus. It is a fantastic solution if all of your costs are in and you feel like they're in a good state and they're accurate. But if you always want to, you could always resort to fixed price or just charging by the square foot. And so even if you do charge by the square foot, you'll still get a comparison of how that price per square foot is impacting your costs.
Fantastic. And obviously I can use it on a standard laptop. Can I use it on a tablet too?
Definitely.
Okay.
Yep. It's a website application. It's great for tablets. We actually have a lot of our users will take a tablet out in the field on an install job or something like that and be able to upload files to their jobs, move the job from column to column. Yeah, it's great.
It has been my experience that the rapidity with which you can turn around a quote is a huge contributor to getting the job.
Oh yeah.
Anybody that waits too long in a quote, it's like, immediate disqualification. You may even had the best price, but the person already made a decision.
Yeah.
Because they need to move quickly and move on to other tasks. And so is your quoting easy to do and is it quick?
Yes. We had one of the users of Align at our last show we were at come up to us and tell us he is able to get the first quote out on the phone with the customer.
Really?
So he'll be on the phone.
That's exactly how fast it needs to be.
Yeah.
Like you're on the phone and they're telling you what they want and you're like, clickety, clickety, click, boom, there's your quote.
Yep, that's exactly. And he was literally telling us that that's what he switched to. And he said, I'm doing that instead of spending my nights and my weekends catching up on my quotes like I used to.
Yes, okay.
And it was music to our ears.
Yeah, that's exactly what you want to hear.
Yep.
Let me ask you also, I have customers that, use other software rips, Caldera, SAI, Flexi, whatever,
Yep.
Will this work if you have another software RIP?
Definitely.
Okay.
Yep. So this is an order management system. So regardless of the RIP that you're using, you can still use it to quote, to keep track of your orders, manage your work from start to finish.
Okay.
The added benefit of using Onyx as your RIP is you can send the files for the jobs directly from ONYX Align right into your ONYX Thrive RIP.
Okay.
But if you're using a different RIP, you can still use it for your quoting, your job management, and everything else.
All right. I would say most of the customers I work with have Onyx,
Yep.
right? But I have some outliers.
Yeah.
And I just want to make sure they can use it too. And it sounds like 100%. You just have
100%.
added benefits, obviously, because you have complete synchronization with Onyx.
Exactly.
Right. You're on Onyx 25 right now. So everybody, Onyx 25 is the version you should be running. Has all of the latest features that you want to know about. You certainly should look into those. Are there other things about Align that I may have missed that you think is really important to a potential customer?
Honestly, one of the major things is our direct integration with QuickBooks Online.
Oh, QuickBooks. That's what everybody uses.
Yeah, in this industry, I don't know what QuickBooks did, what magic they worked, but just about every large format shop uses QuickBooks. And so we have a direct integration. So if you create an estimate in Align, it's going to exist in your QuickBooks.
Nice.
I mean, we're talking automatic. You don't have to export, import, none of that. You issue it from Align, it's in your QuickBooks. That's with estimates, invoices,
so all of
payments.
your P&L, your reconciliation, everything is just seamlessly integrated into your order management.
Oh yeah.
And that's seamlessly integrated in your RIP if you use Onyx 25.
Exactly.
Onyx 25. Onyx 25, not 12, not 18, not 20, 25. Calvin, it's been a real pleasure.
Awesome.
Always good to speak to you at the show. I'm a big fan of Align. I think for a lot of small and medium shops that are using some cryptic, bizarre system that they invented and it sort of works, but it's not really working.
Yeah.
This is the way to get into serious order management, quoting, and then integration with all of your financials.
Yep.
Because at the end, you want to know for sure that you are making a profit.
100%.
You got to know that. All right.
Yep.
Take care.
Okay, thank you.